How to fix lag and stuttering in PUBG on PC. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that issue. Now let's follow a few easy steps and let's get started. Now first of all, lower graphics settings. So first open the PUBG and go to settings, click on graphic and lower the settings. So try lowering options like texture quality, shadow quality and anti-aliasing. So this will help the game run smoother. And or you can close background apps. So next press Ctrl plus Shift plus A sharp to or A shift to to open the task manager. Now close any app you don't need running while playing PUBG. This will free up resources for the game. Or check your internet connection. So now make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, try connection to Ethernet for a more stable connection. Now lag can happen if your internet is slow or unstable. And after that, update drivers. So next, check if your graphic drivers are updated. Now go to the website of your graphic cards or the application that you have installed on your PC. So either you use the NVIDIA or AMD or Intel. So and update your drivers. So outdated drivers can cause the lag and stuttering. So this is how to fix lag and stuttering in PUBG on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.